Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to RickyTube 365. My name is Rick and this is our channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a review on a product that I got from Amazon, an amazing product that I think that every photographer, every filmmaker should have in their bag, at all times, because we know mirrorless cameras, DSLRs, camcorders, even a GoPro, guys, we all need to clean something very simple. Our sensors, guys. I cannot tell you how many times I've been to the field doing a video or doing a photo shoot or just taking pictures with the family, and then when I import the pictures into my computer and I zoom into the pictures, I can always see spots, and sometimes it ruins my most precious work, and really bothers me. But finally I was able to get a product that is going to help me out to do what I need: clean my sensors of my cameras if I need it, anywhere, at home, in the field, whatever the case may be. So today I'm going to take you to the VS Go APS-C sensor cleaning. Hit the B-roll. Here, it's very easy to open. Just like to cut it this way. So this right here is the operation manual. It's gonna pretty much tell you how to use the system. Okay guys, so inside of the box you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 on one side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 of these cleaning swabs, and you do receive, which is the most important piece, the sensor cleaning solution. This is the most important piece, guys, right here, because you don't want to use alcohol, you don't want to use rubbing compound, you don't want to use spit or water. You definitely want to use a certified cleaning swab with the appropriate tip, okay, and the appropriate liquid, okay. So I'm gonna put a link in the description below for this whole system, and I will show you right now how to properly clean the sensor on an APS-C camera. But right here I have a Sony A6300. The first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna power on the camera, okay? Then I'm gonna go to the settings. In the settings, there's a cleaning mode. Every camera must be put into this cleaning mode before you clean the sensor. So cleaning mode, perform auto image sensor cleaning, enter. The one thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to get my gear ready. Okay, I'm gonna open the swab. I'm not gonna get it out, just gonna open them up. I'm gonna pull this out right here. Okay, that's what I'm doing. Perfect. Gonna shake this a little bit. Perfect. Not too crazy. I'm gonna remove the lens. Okay. Then I'm gonna remove the sensor. Okay. I'm gonna remove the lens now, and I'm gonna start working with my solution. Then I'm gonna put 2 drops. 1, 2. The one thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to get my gear ready. Okay, I'm gonna open the swab. I'm not gonna get it out, So I'm gonna open them up. I'm gonna pull this out right here. Okay. This one door. Perfect. I'm gonna shake this a little bit. Perfect. Not too crazy. I'm gonna remove the lens. Okay. Then I'm gonna remove the sensor. Okay. I'm gonna remove the lens now, and I'm gonna start working with my solution. Then I'm gonna put 2 drops. 1, 2. I'm gonna put 2 more drops to get the whole swab where it's supposed to be. 1, 2. I like to put 2 drops right here on the very front of the sensor. Now I'm going to clean one direction only. Okay. Hopefully you guys can see. Yes, you guys will be able to see. So I'll go from one side to the other. And that's it, okay? And that's it. Once you're done, put your lens back. And of course, make sure that you have cleaned the lens. And now, I'm gonna let it sit for a couple seconds. I'm gonna dispose what I use, so I don't reuse the bad boys, because if you leave it in your bag, guess what? You're gonna end up reusing them, okay? So keep your solution, okay? Dispose your swabs. And now, guys, turn on the camera. This is my setup. And make sure that you can take pictures or videos. Perfect. Okay, guys, and hopefully you learned something from my experience. You know, I am not a professional. If you have any comments, any ideas, or maybe if I did something wrong, let me know in the comments below. Ask me any questions. I will also put a link on the description below for you guys to be able to go to the Amazon store and give these guys some love of buying this product. I think that this is the most affordable, affordable and quality product that I was able to find in Amazon. Again, guys, you must have one of these in your backpack, and make sure that you do what you're supposed to do to take care of your gear. Hit the B-roll. Be doing hey guys, what start the whole thing. Hey guys, 2 products that